So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a faucet here from Faucet, I believe is the name of the company. Anyways, homeowner bought this online. It is the X001L15K1Z. Let's see if we can get you a picture of that. Just from the box. So, there's the model number. Lead free, and then it's got the model number right there. Anyway, so nice faucet. We've got faucet at our house by Weiwei, I want to call it. It's WE. Similar mounting system, and the only negative thing I see to the mounting of the faucet is this large nut. It's real handy to, to mount it. You just tighten that down and you're done. Unfortunately, once you're hand tight, that's as much as you can go. We did take some channel locks and get up high on the nut. That's just a hollow plastic ring with a brass nut at the very top that ties onto the stem of the spout, with all the plumbing coming down through, hot cold sprayer, all of that comes through there. And we did get a wrench up on there. You can see where we kind of boogered it up a little bit, trying to tighten it down even more. And the reason why I don't like that in this instance, that mounting system, is it will allow this faucet, sorry about the shaking, it will allow this faucet to move. So if you grab the base here, you can turn this. You can see it's pretty easily turned. So don't get too aggressive with the faucet here. This is one finger operation. You can take this lever hot to cold and you're done. So when it's functioning, you can see water's running. You only need one finger over here. If you're having trouble at any point with either the faucet doesn't shut off or it starts to get difficult to function, it needs a cartridge replacement, and that happens by taking out this little rubber gasket, and then they've left you a little Allen wrench right here. Little Allen wrench came with the kit, and you unscrew that, handle comes off, and you unscrew it, cartridge goes in. So, like I say, I'm not thrilled with the mounting of it. The base plate is nice and tight, and it's got its own foam gasket on there, and it's sitting flat, so that's good. O-ring around the bottom here is flat, and so that's sitting good. I just don't like the fact that you can pretty easily turn this. Not that you would grab this and try and turn it, but if this ever starts to, the swing motion, if it ever starts to bind up, you could inadvertently begin to turn the base portion as well. So, anyways, this is as tight as it's going to get even with a wrench on there. Function works great. The cord operates freely. The spray hose. You've got some plumbing down here that most plumbing companies, they put all the plumbing right here in the middle, and then you go to put your nice weight on there so that the spray hose will go up and down correctly, and it bumps into stuff. You've got shutoff valves, hot and cold. You've got the discharge tube from the dishwasher going over to the garbage disposal. Anyway, a lot of stuff in there, but it is tied back in on the right side. You've got the original half-inch IPS angle stop, and that is a quarter turn on, quarter turn off. So we put a brass adapter that came with the kit, half-inch to 3/8, and then tied the water supply right in. Sorry about the focusing. And then on the hot side, let's see if you get a picture from underneath. You can see here, hot side's a dual angle stop, 3/8 by 3/8. It's a multi-turn. We checked both of them for leaking, packing nuts tight, so no leaking there. Everything's functioning correctly down here. Hose is operating. We did put some tape on that back weight right there. It pops off pretty easily. With the one we've got at our house, we noticed that we'd used it a couple times, and then you'd hear a thunk in the cabinet, and that weight would just drop off. So I took some electrical tape and just wrapped it quite a few times just to hold it in place. And you shouldn't have to do it, but we don't have to do a service call, come out here to put that weight back on there. So last two we've installed that are similar to this, we just went ahead and taped them on there. So anyways, everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.